Pea beans, commonly known as peas, are among the most significant crops worldwide, playing an essential role in the daily meals of billions. With their sweet, delicate flavor, tender texture, and high nutritional value, peas are not only a staple food but also a valuable raw material in the food processing industry. In Asia, where agriculture is a cornerstone of the economy, peas symbolize innovation and adaptability. Thanks to the adoption of modern technologies and sustainable farming practices, many Asian countries have emerged as leading producers and processors of peas globally. The journey from tiny seeds to high-value products is a fascinating and inspiring story. In this article, we'll explore the entire process of growing, harvesting, and processing peas in Asian countries, highlighting how they achieved remarkable success in this field. Origin and development history. Peas have been cultivated for thousands of years, originating from the Mediterranean and Western Asia. From there, they gradually spread to Asia via trade routes, quickly adapting to local conditions. Historically, peas were grown to provide a vital source of plant protein, especially during periods of food scarcity, economic potential and nutritional value. Today, peas are a highly lucrative agricultural product due to their rich nutrition. Peas are packed with protein, fiber, vitamins A, C, K and essential minerals, making them an ideal food for vegetarian diets and weight management. Wide applications. Peas are used to produce frozen peas, canned peas, pea protein powder, and even ingredients for cosmetic and pharmaceutical products. Global market. The global pea market is worth billions of dollars annually and continues to grow. In Asia, countries like China, India, Vietnam, and Thailand lead the way in pea production and export, leveraging favorable natural conditions and supportive agricultural policies. Ideal growing conditions. Peas thrive in temperate or cool tropical climates. High-altitude regions or coastal plains in Asia provide ideal conditions for growing this crop. Soil. Nutrient-rich, well-drained soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Temperature. Optimal range is 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. Farming techniques. Seed sowing. Seeds are soaked in warm water before sowing to enhance germination rates. Care. Regular fertilization, preferably organic. Consistent watering without waterlogging. Pest control. Natural methods like introducing beneficial insects or using biological sprays to protect crops. Harvesting. The timing of the harvest plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality of peas. Peas are typically harvested when pods reach full size, but the seeds inside remain tender. In countries like China, modern machinery is used for quick harvesting, minimizing losses. Steps in pea processing. After harvesting, peas undergo several processing stages to become commercial products. Cleaning and sorting. High-pressure water systems and automated sorting machines are used. Preliminary processing, shelling, chopping, or leaving whole depending on the intended use. Freezing or canning. Peas are quickly frozen or canned with natural seasonings. Processed pea products. Processed pea products are increasingly diverse, including frozen peas, popular for retaining flavor and nutritional value. Canned peas, convenient for soups, salads, and quick meals. Pea protein powder, a key ingredient in functional foods and sports drinks. Pea extract, used in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals due to its powerful antioxidant properties. Advanced technologies. Asian countries have invested heavily in processing technology to enhance product value. Individual quick freezing (IQF) systems ensures each pea is frozen separately without clumping. High-pressure sterilization machines eliminates bacteria without compromising nutrients. Trends in green and sustainable consumption. Consumers worldwide increasingly prefer plant-based products, particularly healthy and natural foods. Peas, as a source of plant protein, are becoming a top choice. Opportunities and challenges. Opportunities: expanding exports to major markets like the US and EU. Meeting demand from the vegan food and functional food industries. Challenges: climate change affecting yields. Intense competition from other producing countries. Development directions. New variety research. Developing pea varieties with better drought tolerance and pest resistance. International cooperation. Enhancing technology exchange and experience sharing with developed countries. Brand building. Raising awareness of the quality and brand identity of Asian peas. From fertile fields to advanced factories, the journey of peas is a testament to the creativity, effort, and adaptability of Asian farmers. This is not just a story of agricultural production, but also a lesson in how an industry can innovate to meet the ever-growing demands of the global market. The giant fig, a unique fruit that impresses not only with its remarkable size but also its flavor and economic value, is gradually becoming a new symbol of Asian agriculture, from lush green fig orchards to state-of-the-art production lines. The journey of the giant fig is a tale of innovation, effort, and strategic vision from farmers and agribusinesses. In this video, we will dive deep into the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of giant figs in Asian countries. This story also unveils how nations in the region are transitioning from small-scale production to modern agricultural industries, creating sustainable value and an expansive market for this exceptional fruit. Origins and significance. The giant fig is not a natural plant species but rather a hybrid of various fig varieties, developed to meet the growing demand of the consumer market. Initial research on this fig species was conducted in China and India, two nations with a rich tradition in agriculture. Outstanding traits of the giant fig. Giant figs can weigh up to 1 to 2 kilograms, with taut, glossy skins, thick flesh, and a naturally sweet flavor. These figs are perfect for fresh consumption or processing. Their high nutritional value, particularly antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin A makes them an ideal choice for health-conscious consumers. Economic importance. The demand for giant figs comes not only from domestic markets but is also driven by exports. This fruit is now available in major supermarkets across Europe, the US, and the Middle East, bringing significant foreign revenue to producing countries. China, a pioneer in fig development. China is one of the first countries to successfully breed and cultivate giant figs on a large scale. In provinces such as Guangdong and Guangxi, the government has heavily invested in high-tech agricultural projects, boosting productivity and product quality. Vietnam, a rising star in domestic and international markets. Vietnam began cultivating giant figs in the 2010s, with imported varieties from India and China. Provinces such as Tiên Giang, Dong Phat, and Lam Dong have become key production areas. Vietnamese farmers not only focus on cultivation but also develop processed products such as fig jam, fig juice, and dried figs. India, the legend of sustainable agriculture. India, with its long-standing agricultural tradition, quickly capitalized on the giant fig variety to develop organic farms. In Maharashtra, thousands of hectares of land have been converted to grow this fruit, bringing high profits to local farmers. Cultivation conditions. Giant figs thrive best in tropical and subtropical climates, with ideal temperatures ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. The soil should have a neutral pH, be rich in organic matter, and have good drainage. Care procedures. Planting phase. Seedlings are carefully selected and planted in pits enriched with organic fertilizers. Irrigation. Giant figs require moderate watering, avoiding overly dry soil or waterlogging. Pest control. Common issues such as stem borers and mold are controlled using organic methods, minimizing the use of chemicals. Harvesting. Harvest timing. Figs are harvested at optimal ripeness, usually in the early morning to retain freshness. Tools used. Specialized knives and scissors are used to cut the stems without damaging the fruit skin. Processed products from giant figs. Fig jam, made from pureed fig flesh, mixed with sugar and natural spices. This product is highly popular both domestically and internationally. Dried figs. These retain the natural sweetness of the fruit and are ideal as a healthy snack. Fig powder. Dried figs are ground into powder, which is used in baked goods and health food products. Modern processing technologies. Vacuum drying lines help preserve nutritional value and extend shelf life. High-capacity juices produce fresh fig juice on an industrial scale. Consumption markets. Domestic. Giant figs are now present in most major supermarkets across Asia, becoming a trendy fruit for middle and upper-class consumers. Export. Many shipments have been delivered to countries such as the US, Germany, and the UAE, generating millions of dollars in annual revenue. Opportunities and challenges. The giant fig industry faces numerous opportunities due to the strong global demand. However, challenges such as climate change, crop diseases, and competitive pressures require constant innovation. Solutions for sustainable development. Plant research. Continuously improve quality and productivity through advanced breeding techniques. International collaboration. Asian countries should strengthen partnerships to share technology and expand consumer markets. Brand development. Build the image of Asian giant figs as a symbol of quality and sustainability. Giant figs are not just a story of a unique fruit, but also a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration in agriculture. The journey from lush orchards to premium products on global tables has helped solidify the position of Asian agriculture in the global economy.